If you're craving chicken that is sticky, citrusy, and full of deep, tangy, and sweet flavors, this orange honey and tamarind glazed chicken is the one. It tastes amazing and comes together so easily. Let's make the marinade. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice for brightness and natural sweetness, 2 tablespoons of oil for richness and even browning, orange zest for that deep citrus aroma, and 3 minced garlic cloves for a savory punch. Now I'm adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of this homemade tamarind sauce for that sweet tangy depth, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey to help the chicken caramelize beautifully. To season, I'm using 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder for warmth and earthiness, and paprika powder for color and a mild smokiness, plus salt to taste and chili pepper for that heat and balance. Mix until everything is well combined. I want to use boneless skin-in chicken legs for this. These are bone-in, so I'm going to debone them. Boneless chicken is usually quite expensive, so I always buy my chicken whole, then debone it myself. It's more economical and I get to use all the parts exactly how I want. This looks perfect. Add them to the marinade bowl. Rub it in until the chicken is fully coated. Cover and marinate for a few hours. The longer it sits, the deeper the flavors get. Before I start cooking, I'm making the glaze. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the homemade tamarind sauce for that tangy base, 2 tablespoons of raw honey for stickiness and shine, a 1/4 cup of orange juice for freshness, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for saltiness and umami, orange zest for extra citrus flavor, and a little ginger and garlic for warmth and aroma. Mix until well combined. Taste the glaze and adjust the flavors if you need to. It should be sweet, tangy, citrusy, and balanced. Now let's get cooking. Add the chicken to a pan, skin side down without overcrowding. Let them sear for about 10 minutes until the skin is crisp, golden, and the fat has rendered out. Flip and let the other side sear. See how golden the skin is. That's what we want. Since I'm using skin-on chicken legs, they have enough fat as you can see. If you're using a less fatty chicken cut like the breast, add some butter for richness. You can use a compound butter for even more flavor. My favorite recipes are linked in the description. Now add the glaze we made. Spread it over the chicken to coat every piece. Let it cook down. As it reduces, it will thicken, turn glossy, and cling to the chicken. Baste the chicken to keep it juicy and help build those layers of flavor. This orange honey and tamarind glazed chicken is juicy, sticky, and beautifully caramelized. You can garnish it with spring onions, coriander leaves, or sesame seeds if you like. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes so the juices redistribute, then slice it up. This came out so good. The skin is crispy and perfectly caramelized, while the inside is juicy and very tender. If you like simple but bold recipes like this one, subscribe and stick around for more.